So let's start today's lecture with remaining questions of NCERT exemplar. Okay, again I'm going to share with you the screen. I hope the screen is visible to you all. The screen is visible. Please tell me, beta. Yes. Okay. Okay. So we have done till 18th questions yesterday. Okay. Now we are going to start with short answer question type. Short answer questions we will be starting today. So my first question is, give 2 examples for each of the following. Yeah. First, acute disease, Lakshay Garg of 9th Florence. Lakshay Garg of 9th Florence. Unmute yourself and please answer this question fast.
Common cold, ma'am.
Acute diseases can be
Common cold.
one example. Yeah, very good.
Pneumonia.
Pneumonia, very good.
And
Now
dengue.
chronic disease.
Chronic paralysis.
Chronic paralysis.
Yes, ma'am. And
Okay.
AIDS.
And
AIDS.
AIDS. Okay.
Infectious.
Okay. You can mute yourself.
Okay.
Priyanshi, 9th awesome. Priyanshi, 9th awesome.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, good morning, beta. Yes, start. From acute diseases, please tell the answer.
Ma'am, common cold, cough.
Very good. Then chronic.
Chronic diseases. Chronic disease can be AIDS and tuberculosis.
Okay. Diabetes can also be chronic.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then
ma'am, infectious diseases again can be AIDS and common cold.
okay.
And ma'am, non-infectious diseases is brain fever.
Okay.
And
But brain fever is caused by a vector. Okay, you can mute yourself, beta. You can mute yourself. I want to ask from Arush. Arush, please switch on your video. Yeah, unmute yourself, Arush, and switch on your video and answer the question. Yeah.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, good morning, beta. Please,
Ma'am, I cannot switch on the video, ma'am. Webcam is not working.
Okay, okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Please give a nice answer.
Okay. Of acute only, no, ma'am. And this.
Acute and chronic give. Fast.
Acute, ma'am, common cold and that cough, and chronic that can be diabetes, cancer, AIDS, and infectious can be AIDS and common cold, and non-infectious can be cancer and diabetes.
Okay. Okay. You can mute yourself, beta.
Okay.
Yes. So I'm speaking with the answer. Acute diseases can be common cold and typhoid. Acute, yeah. Beta, it will be acute. It will be acute. Yes. disease can be diabetes, tuberculosis, and infectious disease are like you can take smallpox, chickenpox. Yes, yes, beta. Then non-infectious diseases can be diabetes, goiter. Please give a nice answers. Don't repeat that examples only in every question. Okay. Anurag, it will be acute. It will be acute. It doesn't last in our body for a like for our lifetime. Okay. Now let's move on to the next question. That is, name two diseases caused by protozoa and what are their casual organism? What are their casual organism? Shreya, ninth blossom. Unmute yourself and please answer fast.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, beta, good morning.
Ma'am, two diseases that are caused by protozoan. First is Kala Azar, that is caused by leishmania, and second is malaria. It is caused by Plasmodium.
Amazing, amazing, very good. Okay, sleeping sickness. Yeah, sleeping sickness can also be the answer. And sleeping sickness is caused by trypanosoma. Trypanosoma. Very good, Shreya. You can mute yourself. Now let's move on to the next question. Yes, beta. Very good. Very good. Let's move on to next question. Which bacterium cause peptic ulcer? What are peptic ulcer? Can anybody tell me what is peptic ulcer? Ashutosh. Ashutosh, unmute yourself.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, Ashutosh, what is peptic ulcer, beta?
Peptic ulcer. I don't know this.
Okay. Anybody know? Karen, you know Karen? Karen, ninth blossom. Unmute yourself, Karen. What is peptic ulcer? No?
No.
You were raising hand, no, beta? Who can tell me what is peptic ulcer? Yash, ninth, awesome. Yash, ninth, awesome. Unmute yourself, beta.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, good morning, beta.
Ma'am, peptic ulcer is a type of disease which is caused when we get acid in our stomach. This is caused by Helicobacter pylori.
Very good. Yeah.
And ma'am, the scientists who discovered the disease were Warren and Marshall.
Yeah, very good. So peptic ulcer, in simple words, we can say stomach ulcers. Peptic ulcer in a simple way, you can say stomach ulcer. I hope you all know what is ulcer. So the stomach ulcers are also known as peptic ulcers. Okay. So the question is, Yash has already given the answer. But again, which bacteria cause peptic ulcer and who discovered the above pathogen for the first time? First time. Very good. Nikhil, ninth, awesome. Unmute yourself, Nikhil, ninth, awesome. And please give the answer. Fast. Nikhil, ninth, awesome. You are unmute, beta. Nikhil, ninth, awesome. Okay. So, I want to unmute Anurag. Anurag Notial. Anurag, please answer this question.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, good morning, beta.
Ma'am, the bacterium that causes peptic ulcer is Helicobacter pylori, and the scientists who
Very good.
discovered
Helicobacter pylori. Please note it down, everyone. The bacteria which causes peptic ulcer is Helicobacter pylori. Yes.
and
Next is who discovered?
the scientists who discovered this pathogen were Marshall and Warren.
Marshall and Warren. Please note it down, everyone. The pathogen which is discovered by Marshall and Warren. Marshall and Warren. Okay. I hope it is clear to you all. Now let's move on to the next question. And before moving to the next question, please, I need to ask you, any doubt do you have till here? Okay. Okay. Very good. Okay. Okay, fine, beta. Let's move on to the next question. That is, what is antibiotic? And give two examples. Give two examples. What is antibiotic? And give two examples. Who wants to answer? Amrit. Amrit. Unmute yourself, Amrit. Ninth Blossom.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, Amrit. Yes, beta. What is antibiotic, beta?
Antibiotics is an chemical substance which kills the bacteria and also stop their building process.
Very good. Very good.
And they also kill the pathogens, example penicillin and
Okay, you can mute yourself, beta. You can mute yourself. Yes, a good ninth Blossom. Nice answer. I need good.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, good morning, beta.
Ma'am, antibiotic is a chemical substance that kills the bacteria and also kills the pathogens. For example, penicillin and ceftriaxone.
Like pathogen is also known as bacteria.
Yes, ma'am.
Bacteria comes in the category of pathogen.
Maybe we can say.
Maybe we can say. What does it mean? Maybe. Okay, you can mute yourself. Here is some
Okay.
confusion. Who will going to clear it? Anurag Notial again. Anurag Notial, unmute yourself. Please give nice answer, beta.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yeah.
antibiotic is the drug or chemical that blocks the biochemical pathways of bacteria that are necessary for survival. For example, penicillin
That
is
is
streptomycin.
necessary for their survival.
Survival.
Yeah.
For
And
example,
from where we are getting the antibiotics?
from
Antibiotics can be extracted from
bacteria and fungi.
bacteria and fungi. And bacteria and fungi are,
Pathogens.
yeah, and we can say they are microorganism.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, we can say.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Any two examples you can give of antibiotic?
Yes. Yes, ma'am. Examples are penicillin and streptomycin.
And azithromycin, anything you can write?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I hope the answer is clear to you all. Yes, please tell me the answer is clear to you all. Okay. Okay, beta. Okay. So the next question is, let's move on to next question, that is fill in the blanks. Okay. For fill in the blanks, I want to unmute Angel. Angel. Unmute yourself, Angel.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, better just give me a second. Please keep your videos on, students. It is very bad. You are coming on the mic and your videos are off. Please keep your videos on. Yes, Angel.
Ma'am, first is pneumonia is an example.
Yeah.
Infectious disease.
Pneumonia is an example of dash disease. It can be
Infectious disease.
infectious and communicable. Infectious and communicable. Very good. Next question, Angel.
Many skin diseases are caused by fungi.
Fungi. Amazing. Very good. You can mute yourself, beta. Kanika ninth Blossom. Kanika ninth Blossom. Unmute yourself, Kanika.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, good morning. Third question, beta. Third fill up.
Ma'am, antibiotics commonly block biochemical pathway important for the growth of bacteria.
Bacteria. Yeah, antibiotic only works on, Kanika,
Ma'am, bacteria.
only works on bacteria. Very good. Okay. And it blocks the biochemical pathway important for the growth of bacteria. Very good. Next question.
Living organisms carry the infecting agents from one person to another are called vectors.
Are called vectors. Then if I'll ask you what is the definition of vector, then what you will answer, beta?
Ma'am, vector are the organisms that carry infecting agents from one person to another.
Person to another person. Okay. Please everyone note it down these things. Yes, you can mute yourself, beta. Now let's move on to next question. Who will going to answer the next question? Very easy it is. Ayushi. Ayushi, 9th Florence, unmute yourself.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, Ayushi. Please answer this question. Name the target organ for the following disease. Hepatitis, target. Which organ?
Ma'am, liver.
Liver. Amazing. Very good. Hepatitis, target, liver. Okay, please note it down, everyone. You can mute yourself. You can mute yourself.
Okay, ma'am,
Yes.
may I give all answer of this question?
No, beta, let me give other students also chance.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Karen, unmute yourself.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, Karen.
Ma'am,
Next question.
Fish target brain.
Brain. It targets brain.
Brain.
Very good. Very good. You can mute yourself. Yes, Tejaswini. Tejaswini. Unmute yourself, Tejaswini. Fast. And please give the answer of third question.
Ma'am, pneumonia targets lungs.
Pneumonia targets lungs. Very good. You can mute yourself. Next question is Rohan. Rohan, 9th Florence. Rohan, unmute yourself.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, beta. D part.
Fungal disease target is skin, ma'am.
Fungal diseases target skin. Very good. Please unmute your. Please mute
Yes, ma'am.
yourself. I hope
Okay.
this question is clear to you all. Yes. Now let's move on to the next question. That is, who discovered vaccine for the first time? Who discovered vaccine for the first time? Please raise your hand. So many students. Gurkirtan. Gurkirtan, 9th Florence. Unmute yourself, Gurkirtan.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, Gurkirtan. Who discovered vaccine for the first time?
Edward Jenner.
Edward?
Jenner.
Edward Jenner. Very good. Discovered the vaccine for the first time. Name two you can mute yourself. Name two diseases which can be prevented by using vaccine. Which can be prevented by using vaccine. Pavit, 9th Blossom. Pavit, 9th Blossom. Unmute yourself.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, Pavit. Any two diseases which can be prevented by using vaccine?
First is polio
Okay, very good.
and diphtheria.
Which?
Diphtheria.
Diphtheria.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay, very good. Okay. Any more example anybody wants to give? You can mute yourself, beta. Shubh Chawla. Shubh Chawla, unmute yourself, Shubh. Are you unmuted? Shubh Chawla, unmute yourself. No response. Okay, then Harkirat Singh, 9th Florence. Harkirat Singh, 9th Florence. Unmute yourself, Harkirat Singh. Very good. Those who are answering me through the chat, very good. Very good. Harkirat Singh, unmute yourself. I don't know why the people are not unmuting
Good morning,
themselves.
ma'am.
Yeah, Harkirat.
Ma'am, smallpox,
Smallpox and
polio,
polio. Very good. Hepatitis B, tuberculosis, tetanus, measles, they can also be the answer of this question. These diseases are just prevented by using vaccine. Okay, I hope this question is clear to you all. Very good, Harkirat. You can mute yourself. Now, let's move on to the next question. 26 question number. Please raise your hand, those who want to give the answer of 26 question number. Sonal, 9th blossom.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, Sonal beta. Hanji.
Chronic disease continues.
Yeah.
Chronic disease continues for many days and causes long-term effect on body.
Very good. The question was, students, the question was dash diseases continues for many days and causes dash on body. As you all know, for many days, which type of disease continues in our body? Sonal?
Chronic.
Very good. And it causes dash effect on our body.
Long-term effect.
Long-term effect. Very good. Next question also, Sonal. Dash disease continues for few days and cause no longer effect on body.
Acute.
Amazing. Very good. You can mute yourself. Next. Ansh Narwal, 9th blossom. Ansh Narwal, 9th blossom. Unmute yourself.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, Ansh. C part. C part, beta. Dash is defined as physical, mental, and social well-being and comfort. Fast. Do you know the answer? Wait, let me unmute you again. Yeah, you can unmute now.
Of complete physical, mental, and social well-being, and not the absence of disease.
You can mute yourself, Ansh Narwal.
Health.
Okay, very good. Don't ask from Google. You can mute yourself. Yeah, you can mute yourself. Ansh Verma. 9th blossom. Unmute yourself, Ansh Verma, fast.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, Ansh, D part. Common cold is dash disease.
Acute disease, ma'am.
It is acute disease, or you can say infectious disease, or you can say communicable disease. Okay? Yes. Next is many skin diseases are caused by dash.
Ma'am, fungi.
Fungi. Very good. Amazing. Those who are giving answers. Very good. You can mute yourself, Ansh. Let's move on to the next question, which is again very easy. Next question. Gunjit is there in the meeting? No. Vaishnavi is there? Yeah, Vaishnavi. Vaishnavi, unmute yourself. Vaishnavi, unmute yourself. Fast, beta. Okay, Vaibhav. Vaibhav, unmute yourself.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, Vaibhav. Classify the following diseases as infectious or non-infectious. AIDS.
AIDS is a non-infection.
AIDS is non-infectious.
Infectious, ma'am.
Yeah, AIDS is infectious. Then tuberculosis,
Tuberculosis non-infectious.
non-infectious. You can mute yourself, Vaibhav.
Cholera is infectious, ma'am.
Okay, you can mute yourself.
Okay.
Latika 9th, awesome. Unmute yourself, beta. Latika.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, good morning, Latika. Yes.
Ma'am, AIDS is infectious disease.
Tuberculosis.
Ma'am, it is also infectious.
Very good.
Cholera, infectious disease, and
Very good.
high blood pressure is non-infectious.
Yes.
Heart disease non-infectious.
Very
Pneumonia
good.
infectious, and cancer non-infectious.
Very good. I hope the all answers are clear to you all. Yes. Now let's move on to next question. Vansh Shehrawat. Vansh. Unmute yourself, Vansh.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, good morning, beta. Next question. Name any two groups of microorganisms from which antibiotic can be extracted.
Ma'am, fungus and bacteria.
Fungus and bacteria. Any two example of antibiotic?
Ma'am, MMR-DPT, polio means that MMR-DPT and BCG.
These are vaccines.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah,
So
sorry.
I'm asking you the examples of
Penicillin, ma'am. Penicillin.
who discovered penicillin for the first time?
Alexander Fleming.
Alexander Fleming.
Fleming.
Very good. And penicillin is effective against which bacteria? Do you know?
No, ma'am.
Do anybody know penicillin is effective against which type of bacteria? You can mute yourself, beta. Who can answer this question? Shubh Kavar. You can answer? Shubh.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, Shubh.
Ma'am,
Do you
staphylococci.
know? Huh?
Staphylococci.
Which type of bacteria?
Ma'am, the round-shaped bacteria like staphylococci.
Okay, it is used to inhibit the growth of. Okay, but like if I'm asking you, it is effective against which type of bacteria? You can answer it gram-positive bacteria. Okay, gram-positive bacteria. Yes, you can mute yourself. Name any three diseases transmitted through vector. Very easy question. Very easy question. Shaurya 9th Florence. Shaurya 9th Florence. Unmute yourself, Shaurya.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, Shaurya. Any name any three diseases transmitted through vector? No, Amrit.
Ma'am, common cold.
Through vectors. Okay, common cold.
Common cold. Cough. Cough, ma'am.
Okay, you can mute yourself, beta. Ansh Singla. Ansh Singla. Unmute yourself, Ansh Singla. Fast. Ansh. Ashish. Okay. Yan. Fast. Let's go. Once your voice is not audible, please mute yourself. Please mute yourself. Ashish. Ashish, unmute.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, Ashish. Name any 3 diseases transmitted through vector. Fast.
First is malaria,
Malaria,
dengue, and
dengue,
yellow
yeah. Malaria, dengue,
and yellow fever.
yellow fever. Okay, very good. Very good. So, very good answer is given by Ashish. I hope we have finished with short answer type question. Any doubt in short answer type question? Yeah, yes, beta Sonal. Yes, only long question answers are left. Yes. So I will going to take the test of this chapter. Why do we fall ill? On Thursday. Please be prepared. Please be prepared with this chapter. Yeah, Amrit, you too. Okay.